Fire extinguishers come in all different shapes and sizes. The main common theme is that they're all painted red. The way to tell them apart from the red body is the label on the front, and this is indicated with a different label for each different type of extinguisher. This extinguisher here with the red label is a water. The cream label here is the foam, the blue label here is the powder, and the black label here is the CO2. You'll also find wet chemical extinguishers that have a yellow label. You'll also find lithium extinguishers with a green label, and there are also now multi-purpose extinguishers. So let's focus on the water. Water extinguishers are primarily used on fires containing wood, paper and textiles. Foam extinguishers can also be used on wood, paper and textiles, but can be also used on flammable liquids such as petrol and diesel. Your powder extinguisher can be used on wood, paper and textiles, flammable liquids, but also any flammable gases. And then finally, the CO2 extinguisher can be used on electrical fires. Your wet chemical extinguisher with the yellow label is used for cooking oils and fats. Your lithium extinguisher with a green label will be used for any lithium-based fires, and your multi-purpose can be used on a range of different fires. So these 4 extinguishers are the main type of extinguishers you will find in your building typically. Let me take you through some of the parts that are found on extinguishers. All extinguishers bar the CO2 will have all these parts. First, the handle. They'll also have a tamper seal and a gauge. They'll also have a pin or a security pin. They'll have a hose and a plastic base. The CO2 extinguisher is slightly different to all the other extinguishers. It's the only one that doesn't have a gauge. It also doesn't have a hose like the other extinguishers. Instead, it has a horn that can be lifted. And you'll also notice the CO2 extinguisher doesn't have a plastic base.